This is the story of KFC, a global brand that began with a simple dream.
The story of KFC begins with a man named Harlan David Sanders.
Before KFC, Colonel Sanders lived a life full of struggle and failure. KFC was not born from success, but from determination. The foundation of KFC was laid in a small roadside cafe. In this old kitchen, Colonel Sanders prepared his famous chicken, shaping the early history of KFC.
This chicken would later become the heart of KFC.
KFC was built on a secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices.
The taste of KFC was unlike anything people had tried before.
This is where the KFC story truly begins. But the journey of KFC was never easy. This old cafe stood empty, marking a difficult moment in the early journey of KFC and Colonel Sanders.
Infrastructure changes affected the early path of KFC.
At 60 years old, he had almost nothing left.
At this stage, the idea of KFC entered a new phase of determination.
With limited resources, the vision behind KFC continued forward.
The KFC concept was shared across different locations.
This moment marked the first business step forward for KFC. The name KFC started gaining recognition.
KFC slowly expanded across different regions of America.
The KFC system began forming through partnerships.
Simple branding helped KFC stand out.
The image of Colonel Sanders became linked with KFC.
During the 1950s, KFC entered a period of rapid growth.
KFC locations attracted increasing attention.
Now, we explore how KFC chicken is carefully processed, from farm to kitchen to your table.
The vision of KFC continued as chickens were transported to processing facilities.
Arrival at KFC centers marked the start of structured chicken processing.
Temperature-controlled storage ensured quality for every KFC chicken piece.
Chickens were divided into portions, ready for KFC preparation.
Each piece was coated with KFC's secret blend of 11 herbs and spices. Marination infused the flavors that make KFC unique.
Frying was carefully controlled to achieve the golden texture KFC is known for. Cooked chicken was organized for packaging and delivery to KFC locations.
Packaging ensured that every KFC meal reached customers fresh and consistent.
Structured distribution networks delivered KFC meals to restaurants and homes.
At every location, the signature KFC taste and quality was maintained.
Advanced systems ensure that KFC kitchens operate with the same high standards worldwide.
KFC expanded beyond the United States, reaching audiences worldwide.
Today, KFC operates in hundreds of countries across the globe. Every KFC location delivers the same iconic taste and quality.
Advanced systems maintain consistency across all KFC kitchens worldwide.
Digital platforms now support efficient ordering and delivery for KFC. Careful packaging ensures meals arrive fresh and ready to enjoy.
KFC has become a familiar name in cities around the world.
Every meal reflects decades of careful preparation and the original KFC recipe. The vision and legacy of Colonel Sanders continue to guide KFC today.
Distribution networks efficiently deliver KFC meals to restaurants worldwide. The secret blend of 11 herbs and spices remains central to KFC's unique flavor.
Each piece is cooked and arranged carefully to meet KFC's high standards.
Packaging ensures freshness and the signature presentation of KFC meals.
Structured logistics deliver KFC meals efficiently to locations everywhere.
Customers experience the same consistent quality at every KFC branch.
KFC adapts its presence to different cultures while keeping its identity intact.
KFC continues to grow and remain a recognizable brand globally.
Modern technology supports convenient KFC ordering and delivery worldwide. Advanced kitchen systems maintain consistency in preparation across KFC locations.
Every meal delivered reflects decades of refinement and quality.
Branding and presentation help KFC stand out worldwide.
The legacy of Colonel Sanders inspires the values and quality of KFC today.
From humble beginnings to a global presence, this is the complete journey of KFC.